Two of the most impressive Huawei devices in the recent memory are the Huawei P20 and Huawei P20 Pro. Both devices were a huge step up from what came before, and the P20 Pro was a serious contender for the best camera of the year. Now Huawei P30 Pro and P30 have both leaked out ahead of their official reveal next month. Official press renders leaked courtesy of WinFuture show off the Huawei P30 and Huawei P30 Pro in detail, with different colors and a solid look at the hardware overall. It looks like Huawei isn't completely redesigning these devices but rather iterating on what came before. One place that's obvious is the notch, which is considerably smaller this time around. So hey folks, this is Saf from Extreme Droid, and here is everything you need to know about the Huawei P30 Pro. Let's start. Design. We have seen a few different leaks and speculative renders of the P30 Pro, and they suggest that Huawei plans to push even harder on its camera dominance this time around, which means more visible hardware on the back. Leaks point to 4 cameras on the back this time, and while we have seen various concept renders with different types of arrangements, the above leaked render from reliable leaker WinFuture looks to be the real deal. As seen, it has 3 vertically arranged main sensors, but there's a 4th beneath the dual LED flash. It's said to be a time of light camera, which can measure distance based on how light bounces off the environment. On the front, we'll get a teardrop notch, a curvy panel, and a very minimal bezel. It looks a bit like the Mate 20 Pro in overall shape, albeit with the wide iPhone X-like notch scrapped from a teardrop and a single selfie cam. Moving towards the specifications, the Mate 20 Pro's Kirin 980 chip is the Huawei's current top dog, flagship powerhouse, and it's undoubtedly the processor that we will see running the show in the P30 Pro. It's immensely powerful, with the 7nm production process cramming loads more transistors into the same tiny space. It was Android's most powerful chip as of the end of 2018. Although Samsung's Exynos 9820 and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 are about to put up a fight. Here's one potential advantage though. Reports suggest a potential 12GB chunk of RAM in the P30 Pro, although it's unclear whether that will be base model or a pricier edition. WinFuture's most recent report and leaks, however, point to 4 back cameras on the P30 Pro with a 10x zooming capabilities, as well as 3 back cameras on the standard P30. It's not clear whether the standard P30 is expected to have a same 10x functionality on board. Release date and price. The Huawei P30 launch data has been confirmed for the March 26th after Huawei made the announcement on its Twitter account. That confirms the one release date rumor we saw before this, which pointed to an announcement in Paris at the end of March. Note though that if you are in the US, you might not be able to buy it, as the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro didn't land in the US. As for the price, it's likely to be at least expensive as the £599, roughly $790 or 1070 Australian dollar. Huawei P20 will likely land alongside an even pricier Huawei P30 Pro. So are you guys excited for the Huawei P30 Pro? Do let me know that in comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss our future videos. Thanks.